Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a station on the TubeMap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page and then click on this search bar at the top of the screen. And then you should type in your the name of your station that you are looking for. Here you can see some recommendations organized in alphabetical order. So click on the relevant one that you would like to check out. So here you can see it on the map marked with this red line and this green circle. Here you can see the station itself. Here you can see information and facilities, tube status, departure boards, and other information as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.